Hello everyone, welcome to the MATLAB Programming course. This is the day 1 of our course. In this course, we will be learning about MATLAB Programming from basics to the advanced level. And by the end of this course, you will be able to write efficient codes and programs using MATLAB and also analyze and visualize data using graphics and plotting. I am working as a software engineer in the automotive domain for 10 plus years with expertise in MATLAB, Simulink, and embedded C programming. I have been writing programs and developing Simulink models for various features of automotive ECUs and also develop control algorithms using MATLAB. In this course, we will be covering all the essential and necessary topics to become proficient in MATLAB. This course will cover topics such as MATLAB environment, where we will be studying about the desktop basis and how the MATLAB environment looks like. Vectors, matrices and arrays, where we'll be studying about various row vectors, column vectors, what are matrices, the difference between matrices and arrays. Workspace variables, how do we create workspace variables, how to save workspace variables, how to load variables in our workspace, and so on. Using built-in functions such as using sine function, cosine function, and various other inbuilt functions that MATLAB has. Knowing that MATLAB has a vast library of built-in functions that we can use directly, we'll be studying about using those. Plotting, plotting our data in MATLAB using graphs to plot the data. Loops and conditional statements such as if else if else, for loop, while loop, do while loop, matrices and matrix operations, performing various operations on matrices, creating matrices by using inbuilt functions and manual creation of matrices, data types used in MATLABs. We'll also learn how to create user-defined functions and interacting with user-defined functions in scripts and using functions inside another function and so on. So this is the list of some of the topics that we will be covering in this course. This course is centered around solving practical problems and we will be learning MATLAB by solving problems rather than theoretical learning. You just need to make sure that you practice more and more at the end of each session. Now, let us learn about what is MATLAB and some of the key features of MATLAB. So, MATLAB is an acronym for Matrix Laboratory. MATLAB was initially designed to make matrix computations particularly easy. It is a computer program that combines computational and visualization power that makes it useful for engineers across the world. MATLAB has a vast library of pre-built toolboxes such as the control system toolbox, the digital system toolbox, image processing toolbox, which and a lot of toolboxes which allows us to get started and develop our specific solutions for our industry, for engineering and scientific applications and other applications as well. The MATLAB environment allows us to manage variables in the MATLAB, import and export data in to and from MATLAB, to perform calculations, generate plots and visualize our data and gain insights from the data, develop and manage our files for use with MATLAB. The most important thing with MATLAB is that our MATLAB code can be integrated with other languages, enabling us to deploy algorithms that we develop inside the MATLAB environment to real-world systems. It allows us to create a custom graphical user interface and applications using MATLAB inbuilt tools. So now knowing the important features of the MATLAB, I'm very much excited to teach you the course and cannot wait till the next session to get started. So this was just an overview of what our course will be about. So stay tuned and share it with all your friends and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Thank you for joining. See you in the next session. Bye bye.